And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape drainage solution that is absolutely going to blow your mind. What we're doing is we're giving this customer a DIY landscape design where they've already been able to come in here and create some of their landscape contour. Now we're going to be able to come in with our beautiful river rock along with our decorative gravel with the design that they also had in mind. And as you can see right now, it is shaping itself up in exceptional fashion. We'll be getting ready to finish this project within the next couple of hours, but it's going to be a total landscape transformation, and it's going to ensure that this customer never has to worry about a lot of the erosion that they had taking place on their landscape. We're going to be putting in the erosion control fabric as well as putting in a lot of the aggregate that's necessary to suck up this water. So I want you guys to stay tuned so that you can see for yourself exactly how we make dirt look good right here at Brooks Landscaping. All right, guys, back at it again right here at Brooks Landscaping to show you what we were able to do in just a matter of 6 hours. We completely landscaped and transformed this customer's landscape in an exceptional fashion. And we went with the design that they already had in mind, which was to use these edge of borders, but we also came up with a design such as what you see with this decorative gravel that allowed for this customer to be able to utilize this space for a lifetime. Now, I also went with my river rock here that you see. It's a 4 to 8 inch rock that allows for us to suck up a tremendous amount of water. As you also see, I had to put a drain box in order to deal with that most effectively by also tying in all those gutter downspouts. But this is just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, guys. We always solve landscape drainage problems, and we provide them in a way that allows the customer to have something that's going to last a lifetime. And that's exactly what they got with this design. That's exactly what they're going to get each and every time, and that's what you're going to get if you give us a call right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.